Hey guys, if you're getting 1:85009S unknown error in your Battlefield 6, don't worry, I got you covered. So the first solution you can try, just go to your search bar and type here view network connection. Click on that. Then we need to hit right click on the internet connection we are using. In my case, I have Ethernet, so I'll just hit right click here. Then click on properties. Next you're gonna see pop up like this. So here we need to select this one, internet protocol version 4. Once you select this, click on properties again, and then you need to make sure that this should be set on this one. Use the following DNS server addresses, and the preferred DNS address you need to use this one, 1.1.1.1, and the alternate DNS server should be 1.0.0.1. Click on OK and launch your game again. If that doesn't help, you can try the second server, which is this one, 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS is this one, 8.8.4.4. click on OK and try this. If your problem persists, you can try the second solution. In this, you need to go to the search bar again and type here cmd. Hit right click on command prompt and just run this as administrator. So the first command we're gonna type here is ipconfig space /release. Hit enter. Once you do that, the second command is this one, ipconfig space /renew. Again hit enter. Now the final command we're gonna type here is ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter again. Once you do this, close the command prompt, restart your PC and relaunch the Battlefield 6. It should work now. Now even after trying first two methods, and if your problem still persists, the final thing you can try is to just click on the Windows icon, open settings, select network and internet from the side menu, and just click on this option, advanced network settings. Right now you're gonna see this option by the name of network reset. So open that and just click on reset now and click on yes. Once you do this, it will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Now as you can see on this pop-up, they're gonna shut down a computer in 5 minutes. So you can now go and restart your PC and relaunch Battlefield 6. It should work now. So yeah guys, these were some solutions which you can try to solve your problem in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.